Hi, this is Seoul's,
Itaewon.
where cultures from around the world meet. Today, let's learn to handle sudden emergencies in Korean. While traveling, you might suddenly feel sick or
잃어버리다.
something precious. The most important thing is to stay.
침착.
Remember, never be shy to say.
도와주세요.
In an emergency, Koreans are glad to help. When you feel unwell,
아프다.
to be sick, a descriptive adjective. Put the spot in front.
배가 아파요.
My stomach hurts. If you fall or bump into something,
다치다.
to get hurt. A verb.
다리를 다쳤어요.
I hurt my leg. For mild symptoms, find a.
약국.
Look for the green cross. Just say,
약 주세요.
medicine please. If it's serious, go to.
병원.
Say,
병원에 가고 싶어요.
I want to go to a hospital. For fire or an ambulance, call.
119.
Call and say,
도와주세요.
for crime or danger, call.
112.
The police. Both
112
and
119.
are free 24 hours. When something's gone.
잃어버리다.
To lose, a verb and today's key expression. The most reassuring phrase.
도와주세요.
A polite request from.
돕다.
To help. Today's core pattern.
무엇을 잃어버렸어요?
I lost something. Put the lost item in the blank.
지갑을 잃어버렸어요.
I lost my wallet. Swap the item.
여권. 휴대폰.
At.
도와주세요.
Up front for urgency.
도와주세요. 가방을 잃어버렸어요.
Help, I lost my bag. They'll ask.
어디에서 잃어버렸어요?
Where did you lose it? Answer.
지하철에서요.
On the subway.
배가 아파요.
My stomach hurts.
다리를 다쳤어요.
I hurt my leg. Point to where it hurts. Be polite. Start with,
실례합니다.
excuse me, and even strangers will gladly help. When you report two keys, what happened and where? Just be clear about those two. They'll ask,
무슨 일이에요?
what happened? Just explain calmly. Call and say,
119. 주. 친구가 다쳤어요. 여기는 이태원이에요.
is this 119? My friend is hurt. We're in Itaewon. Call and say,
112. 주. 가방을 잃어버렸어요. 도와주세요.
is this 112? I lost my bag. Please help. Even in a rush, go slow. If they don't understand,
다시 말해주세요.
please say it again. Give your spot.
여기는 이태원역 근처예요.
I'm near Itaewon station. Now a role play. At the pharmacy, say,
배가 아파요. 소화제 주세요.
my stomach hurts, digestive medicine please. At the lost and found.
가방을 잃어버렸어요. 도와주세요.
I lost my bag. Please help. In Korea, helping in a crisis is natural.
112
and
119.
even offer interpreter help. After help, say,
고맙습니다.
thank you. A small thanks means a lot. Today we learned
아프다, 다치다, 잃어버리다,
ask for help with
무엇을 잃어버렸어요.
and
도와주세요.
practice calling
112
and
119.
What emergencies have you faced? Tell us in the comments. Let's meet again for helpful Korean. And don't forget to subscribe and like.